Wat drinken wir? Wat drinken wir? Een glas Wasser. Aha.
For a long time I've wanted to learn Luxembourgish. My background's in the finance sector, and there I found that French was the more important language to learn. But now I'm working here on this side of the bar, then I thought it was a great opportunity for me to learn Luxembourgish, and in talking to some of my customers I found out that they also had a real wish to learn the language, and I thought, well, why not do it in a slightly less formal environment than what you normally get in the classroom? I think that most people feel that they can learn Luxembourgish. I think one of the great advantages of being in Luxembourg is that there are 3 official languages. And depending on what your background is, then one or other of those 3 languages will be the most important for one to learn when they first come to the country. I think most of the people who are here tonight are actually from a finance background, where French has been traditionally the more spoken language than Luxembourgish. But for me, certainly, now that I'm here, I want to be able to communicate with my customers who are increasingly Luxembourgish, quite apart from it being a question of politeness. And I think you'll find that with a lot of the other people as well, they've always wanted to. It's just how many languages can you accommodate at one time?
Wat drinkst du?
Wat drinkst du?
Wat drinken wir? Wir trinken. Du drinkst. What is very important for us is that the students speak the most of the time. So first they learn a new vocabulary and structures of the sentences, and then we make small groups and they have to speak immediately. Normally I teach in classrooms, so for me it's a new experience and I like it very much. I'm very happy.
Well, I'm running the bar, the Pygmalion. And for John, the man who's organising this, and at the weekends about 80% of our customers are Luxembourgish, and like they're ordering drinks in Luxembourgish and I don't have a clue, and like if someone comes up to me speaking French I get them to speak English. I don't care about them, but the Luxembourgers I like to have a bit more respect for, because I'm here in their country using their resources and everything, so it's no harm to learn a little bit, you know.
The big challenge for me is writing, because I have an auditive memory, but I need to see how it's written. And every time I look at how people write it, it's always different way. And it's really not easy, because they always say you just write it the way you say it. But it's not that true, because they don't say it like really precisely. So the writing is the big challenge, I'd say.
Well, it's a lot more relaxed. Definitely, I don't feel like I'm in a class, you know, it's just like sitting in a pub, basically.